Today I'm reacting to a video by the channel of Silas Nasita. I don't know how to pronounce it. I apologize if it's wrong. I'm going to subscribe. 5 cool things in Switzerland that we don't have in America. I'm Italian. I live close to Switzerland, so I hope this will apply to my country as well. So yeah, let's not waste too much time. Let's check it out. There will be a link in the description.
Hey everybody, these are 5 cool things that we have here in Switzerland that we do not have in America.
You can literally walk around Switzerland drinking.
So look, you can buy cognac in a grocery store.
I don't know how to say it, but not chip.
Just gonna try.
Bro, that's the beer from Lidl, right?
Grocery store.
That's the Radler. Isn't that the Radler beer, the beer with lemon? I don't dislike it, you know. It's never my first choice, but yeah, sure. Especially in the summer when it's so hot.
I don't know how to say it, but not chip.
Just gonna try this panache. I don't understand how it works scientifically.
No, wait, panache. In Italy, we have panache, I think. That's beer mixed with Sprite. I think, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know. It was a thing my father told me in Italy back in the days. I don't think it's a thing anymore.
But it's one of the coolest things. I've never seen that. Number 1, drink.
Wait, isn't the quality a little bit low? I don't know. Oh.
Drinking in public. I mean, you can drink in Vegas and all, but you can literally walk around Switzerland drinking on the bus, driving.
Oh!
I mean, it's probably frowned
I don't think you can drink drive.
upon, but I see people drinking everywhere.
In America, you have to carry everything alcoholic in a brown bag.
They trust
Bro, that's something that they made me do when I was in Egypt. That sounds crazy that in America would be like that too. What the hell?
you. They really.
It's chill. I mean, you can have a beer on the river and not have to spend $30 at a restaurant on the river because you can bring your own.
75 cents.
Number 2, random. I love the escalator for the cart in grocery stores.
What?
Look at this.
Is it really a cool thing? I mean, I thought he was gonna say something about, you know, infrastructures or whatever, but this seems too far stretched. Bro,
Magnetized. I didn't know.
everywhere have this.
In there, look at
Yeah, it's not moving.
it. That's pretty cool, man. I don't understand how it works scientifically, but it's one of the coolest things. I've never seen that in America.
Yeah, and
Really?
that cart can go sideways.
Yeah, that's another big part of that. Call it versatile carts.
Yeah, but it depends on the store. I mean, we have some of these too, but mostly are for the smaller supermarkets.
You can literally turn it sideways and still go forward.
I don't know.
crazy.
Yeah, we can't. Our carts don't do that.
Our carts are vertical. Oh, $5. $5 in America is a bill. Over here, they got a $5 coin.
Yeah, and 2.
Okay, this is the cool stuff that I wanted to know. In the euros, we got the 1 and 2, of course, but the 5, wow, that's crazy. That's really convenient, though, to have the 5 francs coin. That's really cool.
Y'all got 1, 2, and 5 franc coins, which we don't have. The biggest coin that we have in America that we use regularly is a quarter, 25 cents.
The second to small coin is 50 cents.
Yeah, that one's weird. I don't understand that.
The guy was like taking the small coin. I thought I was like, oh yeah, he's saving me money.
And I think it's really convenient that the smallest coin that you guys have is the 5 cents, because most of Europe does the 1 and 2 cents. They are fairly useless. I mean, I don't know.
Yeah, the half franc. I don't understand why somebody in Switzerland explained to me why a half franc is a tiny little coin, and then you got like a 20 cent that's bigger. That all makes sense. I will say,
Yeah, you guys don't have the 10.
I'm not a huge fan of carrying change around, but the other day, I went to the grocery store and the bill was 80 francs, 81 francs. And I had 40 in cash and a handful of coins. I was able to pay for the grocery store 42. I spent like 42 francs in coins, bro.
Are you in the medieval times?
Wow.
It's crazy. Nah, bro, it's just.
Oh, I
because they're so
understand the
big.
meme now.
I had like 2 or 3 5 francs, and then I had a bunch of 2s.
So yeah, needless to say, you have to carry a purse, even if you're a guy.
So it's kind of like, I kind of like it, but I kind of don't. It's cool because it's different, but at the same time, I don't like carrying a bunch of change around.
No.
All right, number 4, I'm gonna say nobody locks their bikes in Switzerland.
No.
You walk around and you see maybe 1 or 2 out of like 20 bikes locked up. You never see that in America, which is pretty cool. It speaks a lot to the people of Switzerland.
Yeah, not even in Italy, okay? I mean, unless you wanted to get it stolen.
That you guys are just good people and don't steal each other's stuff.
Yeah.
I thought that was cool.
I'm looking at bikes right now. That bike doesn't have a lock. That bike doesn't have a lock. Next one, I got the next
Let's
one.
take it. Let's take it.
Bus,
Come on.
train, and boats. Everybody's quiet. And it's not like a respect thing. It's just like everybody's like just zoned in on just looking at Switzerland, driving past all the views.
I mean, we don't really use public transportation in America either, though. Not really. Only big cities.
Oh,
But I will say that's a huge difference. I've never in my life have I ever seen a boat on public transportation.
oh, it's so nice.
It's like a cruise.
Yeah.
Wait, what do you mean a boat as public transportation? So you can get a boat to go to the other part of town, and it costs as it costs a bus.
Swiss Pass takes care of all that.
We have the Swiss pass here in Switzerland, and you got.
I mean, I don't know. I'm sure in some parts of Italy as well, especially like on the islands, it's like that. But yeah, pretty cool though.
This boat. You can ride a boat
For an hour and a half.
as public transportation.
2 different islands.
In America, you're gonna pay a good amount of money for a cruise ship to go.
It seems a little bit too crazy to compare it to a cruise
It's like a
though.
cruise. They got food on it.
Yeah, it's like a cruise, and it's
Yeah,
part
but-
of public transportation. That's wild. Thank you, Switzerland, for letting us be in your country. It's beautiful. We love it, and we're enjoying getting to explore it and celebrate the differences. Subscribe for more.
How to do this? We gotta get a good one. Like, subscribe, follow, subscribe, like.
We don't care about that. We just want to tell the differences.
I mean, it was cool, you know, very honest, just 2 Americans listing what they thought it was cool. That probably is normal in most parts of Europe. I mean, the boat thing and the 5 francs, it was really, really convenient, I would say. I'm also surprised that you guys don't have the 1 and 2 cents. I mean, maybe the price over there are different. Like here we got lots of 99 cents of these, maybe 69 cents, 79 cents. That's really, oh my God. Always feels like a scam, that one. I don't know, it's probably a marketing strategy or whatever. But yeah, it seems more convenient to have that type of money. And it's pretty cool that you can just go around with coins and you don't even need bills or whatever. Even though your bills have reacted before to the Swiss money were just mesmerizing. Let's go with that word. That was just amazing. So yeah, if you have any more videos that you want to share so I can check them out about Switzerland, I'm really curious to learn more about it. You know, I've just been to Lugano a couple of months ago. I really loved it. I've only been there once before, but a long time ago. So yeah, I want to visit more and more of Switzerland because I think someday I will definitely move there. I don't know. That's like my dream for now. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any more recommendations, let me know down below which other videos should I check out. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.